Hey guys, good morning. So it is Saturday and my son and I, my hair is doing the most on this side, but it's Saturday and my son and I are about to do a little bit of Christmas shopping because I was in the nice stuff for myself, and then we are going to IKEA and probably grocery shopping. So I decided that we would take you guys along with us. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not used to filming on my camera because I'm just not my my phone camera, my actual camera broke. So yeah, so it's a struggle trying to look where I'm supposed to be looking. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so we came in here to get a table, okay? So, that's what it say. Hey Maddie.
Hey Maddie, welcome to my channel.
Yeah, that's hilarious. So yeah. So we're trying to find, so I actually already ordered it.
Magic show.
But it's a magic show. Where? So what I'm looking for now, it's just the table that I got so I can see how it looks. Right, Maddie? That's what we're doing. So we definitely need one of these big yellow bags because I've seen so much stuff already that I want. Matt, you need one of those for beside your bed. Yeah. Look at all these really cute looking flip the camera around.
The whole one.
Okay, baby. Okay, so this is the table that we got, guys. It's not this color, but this is definitely the table. And it comes with these 4 chairs for that price. So, Maddie, do you like this one? He's definitely going to be able to sit here and like do his homework. Little stuff like that, that I just need for him to be able to do. So yeah, this is it. This is the name of the table. I really love all of the stuff that they have in here, but yeah. Okay.